So till now we have discussed about these many commands. We have also discussed rm, that is remove command. Let me remove one file, that is a.txt. okay, so how I can do that? Rm and the file name. Okay, great, I have removed the file. We can also remove multiple files. How we can do that? I am giving multiple file names. Okay, so yes, I have removed multiple files at a time. So this is about the remove command. Okay, now let's discuss about another command, that is copy command. So we have already copied the content of one file into the another file by using the cat command. Similarly in Linux we have another command, that is cp, and by using this copy, that is cp command, I can copy the content of file into another file. Okay, so I'm copying the content of this file into another file, that is a.txt. okay, now let me do one thing. Let me show you. If we have two files, let me view the content of this file. How we can view that? By using the cat command. So here you can see that we are getting the content of this file. Let me again clear it out, and I want to see I am in which directory. So I am inside this programming with Chetan directory. I want to create or copy this file text in some another directory. How I can do that? Let me copy this file, that is file, and I want to copy it in the previous folder or in some other folder. How I can do that? So here I am moving back into the previous directory. Okay, now in the directory I want to create one folder. Let's see if it will work. So I created one folder Chetan, and inside the Chetan folder I want to create a file with the name b.txt. Enter. So it's saying that there is no directory present. Okay, that should be okay. So let me first go back, that is by using cd:/. I'm inside this folder, that is a root folder or the root directory. Let me create another directory with the name mkdir, and I'm giving one name to the directory, that is Chetan. Now it contains two. Okay, that should be great. Now here, from here also I can use this copy command. I want to go inside programming with Chetan. Inside programming with Chetan I have one file with the name file.txt. I want to copy this file from programming with Chetan folder to the Chetan folder with the name b.txt. Great. So let me go inside Chetan folder. Okay, now let me see what's there inside Chetan. Yes, b.txt is there. Let me see the content, if it is copied properly or not. So yes, this is copied properly. So here we have seen the use of copy command. Okay, now there is another command, that is move command. I want to move this file. I don't want to copy it. I want to move this file from this folder to some other folder. So let me move it mv and the file name b.txt. I want to move one step back, and I want to move inside the programming with Chetan, and I want to copy this, not copy, but to move this file from this location to this folder. Okay, let me see, no file present here. Let me go back. Let me move to the programming with Chetan folder, and let me list the files. Before that, let me clear it out, and I am listing it. So yes, we have a.txt, b.txt, and file.txt, file which is present inside our folder. So till now we have discussed about remove, copy, and move. Now let's quickly discuss about two important commands which you can use while seeing the log. Okay, so this is again a very important command, that is an head command and the tail command. So by using the head command, what we can do, we can see the first 10 lines of our file. Okay, so here you can see that by using the head command, that is head and the file name, it is printing the initial lines. Okay, from the top direction. Now similar way, if I want to see the logs, okay, how I can do that? From the reverse direction I can use the tail command. Okay, and I can give the file name, so it will show me the content of the file from the reverse side. Okay, so it will show the 10 lines from the last. Okay, great. So these are the two important commands which is very useful at the time while analyzing the application, okay, on this server. Great, let me clear it out. Okay, so till now we have discussed about 16 commands. Okay, now we are left with some more commands. Okay,